Introducing the 2008 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.